The Suncast BMS6312D outdoor storage shed offers a generous 94 cubic feet of space, perfect for storing lawn equipment, gardening tools, and pool accessories. Its slim footprint design allows it to fit snugly along a house or garage, making it an excellent option for limited yard spaces. The large double-door entryway ensures easy access to stored items, and the pad-lockable resin handles provide added security against theft and unauthorized use. Constructed with metal-reinforced, multi-wall resin panels, this shed is both water-resistant and UV-protected, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions while supporting heavy loads. Natural light floods the interior through a built-in skylight and large windows, while air vents promote proper circulation, keeping the shed well ventilated. With its classic design, shingle-style roof panels, and minimal maintenance requirements, this shed will enhance the aesthetic appeal of any yard throughout the year.